Hi everyone, I'm Divya Subramaniam. Today I'm going to present about interlocking public theory. The journal article I choose is The Reluctant Audience Online Participation in the Swedish Journalistic Contest. Introduction. Journalism is the effort to collect, write, edit, and publish such material in newspapers, magazines, television, or radio. Journalists are people who work in the field of journalism, whether it is newspaper, magazine, television, or radio. There are two types of journalism. It is print journalism and electronic journalism, included TV and radio. Print journalism refer to collecting material, writing and publishing it in print media such as newspapers or magazines, where electronic journalism refer to collecting materials, writing and publishing in electronic media, either TV or radio. Although there are differences in content focus, the role that these two forms of journalism play is important. Next, description about interlocking public theory. Interlocking public theory assumes that humans have their priorities set and do not watch something pass. There are three kinds of humans who involve public, which means those without delay impacted by using a situation. Interested public, which refer to they are not impacted but are inquisitive about knowing, and uninterested people who don't trouble and might join a conversation, if at all, in which judgment have already been passed. We have concluded that interlocking public theory is important in journalism field to make sure the audience read the news on the news portal as their interest. Moreover, the theory of interlocking public increase the audience credibility and trustworthy to the journalism field. Summarize the research using theory. The research is telling us about the increasing potential for audiences to contribute to the media content process can seems to support the thoughts and the boundaries between media producer and media consumer, and they are still blurring. There are some general methods of participating which will be applied in numerous ways within online journalism. A method is to share content with other users to get the tools or server program where anyone can attend. Another way of participating in online journalism is to attend different chat rooms or news groups where there are opportunities to meet new people or share interests with others. Editorial staff can found such forums on matter of recent interest or specific topic. The journalism field make some initiative to increase the audience interest on news portal. It make the audience to keep in touch with the current issues through news sites. Moreover, journalists will know the audience interesting opinion and thoughts. There are three research questions. First, how does the audience value and appreciate participate facilities on news sites? Second, how are visitors to news sites actually using the opportunity to comment on article? And how does the public use blog in terms of maintaining their own blogs? The next slide is about how the theory applied or tested. The following analysis is based on quantitative data collected within the framework of the Newspaper Research Program (NRP). The NRP was founded in 1979 by a research grant from the Swedish Newspaper Publishers Association and located in the Department of Journalism and Mass Communication at the University of Gothenburg. The purpose of the NRP is to carry out long-term research on the development of the newspaper market in Sweden with a focus on newspaper exposure, reading, and attitudes, as well as on the interplay between daily press and other media. The next slide is about findings. The first research question in this report deals with the audience attitude and preference toward participating in content creating on news sites. Most important is the site is continuously updated. It should also be easy to navigate and simple and clear when it comes to layout. And not to forget, use should be free of cost. It is cleansing, the checking and speedy updating facilities that matter most. Least important are chat rooms, ads, and commenting opportunities. About one fourth of the news users find these qualities important. Also, less important are archives, links, and unique content. The second research question regards what people are actually doing in this sense, to what extent they are commenting on news article on the web. Compared to other areas of use on the internet, commenting on news article is quite unusual. Most people are, for example, frequent email and news users on the web. More than half of the population devote time to these activities once or more a week. Going to the internet bank is also quite common on a weekly basis. Almost 4 out of 10 visit their bank website every week. Comparably, 5% post comments on news article at least once a week. On a weekly basis, commenting is comparable with writing blogs or purchasing goods and services. The last research question in this study is about this topic, and the analysis focuses on who is actually writing blogs and with what frequency. In fall of 2006, we could note that 9% of the sample had visited a blog once or more every week, and that 4% had written blogs with the same frequency. When analyzing online interactivity in terms of user-generated content, it is the latter, persons who are actually active writing blogs, that are most interesting. A first and important conclusion is that blog writing only attracts a few. It might, due to the intense discussion about blogging, seems like everyone is a blogger. But the public debate can tend to exaggerate what is actually happening. It might also be the heavy media coverage on blogging, and that certain bloggers attract a lot of attention that causes the misperception that almost everyone has a blog. If blogging is indeed a new form of journalism, this finding suggests that such as it attracts rather small minority in terms of its consumption, and an even smaller group of people in terms of its production. The next slide is about shortcoming. The shortcoming in this research is the correlation between those finding commenting a wider facility on news sites and people actually commenting is negative. This suggests that a positive valuation of the chance doesn't automatically mean that action is taken when its possibility is given. What respondents claim they need and what they doing differ here. Moreover, as in many other online areas, this is in fact partly a methodological issue in this research. When asked about what is important, people tend to say most issues and problems, but when actually taking action, many affect what happened, like time available, interest, opportunity on a specific day, and working load. The way the question is posed doesn't say anything about the quantity of the comments either. Whether or not people don't regularly post comments, it is still possible that they will do so in concentrated bursts at different times. The research presented in this article has been performed from a target market factor of view, searching on the attitudes and spots of a general new target audience within the Swedish context. The studies point a little trendy interest inside the kind of participation, varying more activity and creativity from the customer when it comes to news sites. Surprisingly, due to the fact examined indicate that maximum of the taking part is performed by means of organization with high educational stages. It is those with low educational tiers who most bear in mind commenting as important a part of the news sites. People who traditionally have now not raised their voices in media seems to realize the possibility given by means of new media technology, but while the opportunity is given, it is not taken by these corporations. Thank you.
Introduction. Journalism is one of the management that involve in spreading and share messages and report the audience by news. Journalism are responsible in telling people what happens in surrounding by written form. People who works in journalism field will write news for radio, television and internet. Nowadays, journalistic media help government to spread and distribute news to audience. According to Tony Hercup, journalistic may indeed inform society about itself, and mass journalism may be concerned with making public that which would otherwise be private. Theory is a strong explanation of aspects of natural world such as law, hypothesis and fact. Besides explaining the facts, theory helps us to predict how effective the theory is. The more research conduct based on the theory and more facts will gain at last. Interlocking public theory is a media communication theory that tells us the way people read a news and connect with that. The audience will be categorized in three groups. The article I choose tells us how the news frames can influence audience perception of a politic issue. Summary of the research. The interaction of the news and evocating frames is about news framing. Journalists create a news frame to make sure the audience support and understand the ideas and obtain more new information. The story framing makes an audience to think how they react to the issue. Journalists who include their own explanation into the news framing will have some impacts on policy decision regarding to the issues. Frames can imply a basic selection of questions about what to do about the problem that's stated. News framing also one of the communication way to promote some particular problems. To overcome the limitation of a boundary, journalists use more documents. The research that shows high impact as high credibility among the audience. The interlocking public theory was used in the research. Interlocking public theory is a media theory that involves audience interest in particular subject. Most of uses of this theory can be seen in newspaper. In this theory, we can predict our audience in two categories, which is audience who ignore the issue and audience who has interest on the issue. In this particular research, subjects or issues explore to 5 conditions. Audience has been given a task which they provide some article regarding the state regulation of large scale farms. Each article has a different content and makes some confusion and create different level of evocating frame emphasis. After reading the article, audience reports the impression of the farms and general concept of the farm. News and evocative frames explained in this study. It is because of audience nowadays confused about the meaning and use of a framing concept. Another group of scholars compared news frames to advocacy frames in information subsites and culturally available messages. There are some other facts that influence audience interact to the news. For example, audience reading and message processing style. Different audience has a different styles of implementing the messages. Journalists have to fix a target level before the audience adjusts the belief to the news. Frames enables set up a memory link between an object and source of some information. Commonly, the frames make an audience to think relate with the information and the person who include in the news. Frame theory. Interlocking public theory was being used. Interlocking public theory makes a people to stay connected with the news they read. This theory mostly used in newspapers, and the theory used to serve the general welfare by informing the people. The interlocking public theory makes the journalism to make decision about the truth. How the theory works and applied. Each subject was given different 5 conditions. The participant will read article related to the large scale farms and explain about that. Each participant have given different article with different content. The purpose of the action is to create conflict and story based on the event. It will create different level of understanding about the advocate frames. Once the subject read the article, they talk about the general concept and describe their explanation regarding the farm. After 3 weeks, the subject successfully complete on depending measures. For the first wave of the study, 510 university students are responded. The respondents' class profile and gender was observed in first wave. For the second wave, the number of student participants is 3/4 of the original student. The respondents were asked to read 2 different articles that appear in State Journal Register. The article is an actual story about the state Supreme Court regarding truth in sentencing law. This article was used as warm up. The content of the second article was manipulated. The political issue was discussed in stimulant articles. That article more concerned about large farms should be regulated and how the large farm should be. Respondents who based on environmental group opposed to the farm due to health concern, while respondents who based on farm and industry group resist because farm has ability to develop the economic condition, especially farm industry. The folk farm debate was gained attention to the local media. The attention was used in this study to imprint the issue. The interlocking public theory works to make the respondent connected with the attention of the folk farm article in local media. The respondent was given questionnaire and they described the general view about the farm. Their responses were balanced as the article they wrote, and they used the idea to debate to their presentation. Among the 5 articles, one of the article was addressed as the conflict condition. He did because the public interlocking with the article highlights group clash in Senate hog farms hearing, while another article highlights group report cites hog farms pollution problems. These were interlocking the public by create a conflict between actual story and frames. The board article includes same number of the mention. Next, a set of 10 questions were passed to the respondents. Respondents must answer strongly agree or strongly disagree to the question. Finally, a manipulated frame makes people believe and keep connect with the fact that they read. By reading too many manipulated frames can make people confused about the issue. Findings. Findings of the research was influenced by manipulated frames article. Data for economic and industrial was collected. Most of the respondents influenced by environmental frames about the hog farms. The balanced article about the hog farm create a conflict condition. However, the result shows that many of them interlock by environmental frames in their opinion. The high chances for this situation is because the frame used in article too strong to believe and the arguments also too effective. The pattern that used to exposure the article was observed. Different group subjects shows different significance about the issue in extreme condition. At last, after 3 weeks, the effect of different frames about the exposure was observed and recorded. The two one-side article about the hog farms create a huge impact on farming fields. In practical terms, it seems changing in article title and order of frames is interlocking people to change their feeling and views the issue being studied. The unbalanced frames influence the people to follow and believe the facts that written in article. After 3 weeks, the effect of manipulated frames were missing since there were no significant pattern were detected. The more people read about the environment frame, that the more they trust and support general concept of hog farms. Most of people believe in general concept. Conclusion. As conclude, interlocking theory plays a major role in article writing. The theory makes people get more information from media. Newspaper communicate thoughts, view and ideas to interlock public to stay connected with them. As theory of interlocking public, a media practitioner can create variety of story and news. Variety of news give many choice to audience to read the story and news. It is because only some people read story based on their interests. Audience feedbacks create a model for media practitioner to write story or news based on their interests. A journalist who work in this theory able to understand and contribute to the public deliberation. Thank you.